Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an Apple gift card to Apple Cash. It's very easy. First, you need to actually open up the Wallet app on your iPhone and make sure you've signed in with your Apple ID, okay? And then I want you to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on that to add a new card or a new path. And here, what you need to do is choose Add Apple Account or redeem a gift card or code. Okay? You can either use your camera to scan at the back of the physical card or manually enter the code from your gift card. Okay? And the funds, basically the gift card value, will now be added to your Apple account balance. Okay? Not directly to Apple Cash. But what you can do is you can use this balance to make purchases on the App Store, iTunes, or even subscriptions. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope that this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you in the next one.